Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use the strategy tester in MQL4 to optimize your trading strategies. First, press Ctrl+R to open the strategy tester. Here, you can choose what you'd like to test, either an indicator or an expert advisor, also known as an EA robot. Next, select the currency pair you'd like to trade. And from the list of available EAs, pick the one you'd like to test. Once selected, you can fine-tune the robot's settings to optimize it for trading the specific currency pair. After setting it up, you can monitor the results in real time, either on the graph or in the chart history. By the way, the bot you see in this video has already earned me $1,000 in profit with an impressively low drawdown. If you're interested, check out the links in the video description to join my Telegram channel and start auto-copying my orders. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading.